I've started the shingling process, and we'll do a ladder format. That's the best way to be. We'll install at least 5 nails. If it's a little colder, we do 6 nails. But that's our format right there. So we install and we try to keep it as straight as possible. You can see. And usually it takes about a day or so, the sun hitting it, for it to settle in. So start doing nice and tight. You can see, just try to keep it nice and snug. From there, you see, ladder, keep it going all the way. Once we get into the installation of vents, I will be posting that video on how we install vents.